Welcome back. I am here to show you guys how I do my closure sewing in the morning. Yeah, I just brushed out the hair last night. I slept with this scarf on during the day, and this is just how the hair looks brushed out. I got the hair from AliExpress. It's in the color 1B. I have a 20-inch closure. That's a 5x5, a 22, a 24, and a 26-inch. And this is a sew-in. So I got my hair done maybe about a week ago, 2 weeks ago. I think it's more 2 weeks ago. And this is just what I've been doing like daily. So I separate the hair into sections. Let me fix this. And this is just water in my spray bottle. I got this spray bottle from Walmart in the travel section. Myers in the travel section. They have like $1. Pretty sure they have them at Myers too. Walmart. This is the detangler I use. I also got that from Myers. I make sure to leave that link. And this is just a regular wig brush that I got from Target. So these are just normal products, like nothing special. The detangler was maybe $8. Oh, I got that from CVS. Yeah, it was like $8, the wig brush, and just some water is in the pink bottle. No conditioner, just water. And I just start from the bottom and just work my way up. And the pattern on his hair was so nice. I still loved it. After 2 weeks, I haven't washed the hair yet. So anything that I've been putting in it, this is just how the hair just still keeps up without me having to wash it yet. And it goes through pretty easily, even with just the water, before I add the detangling cream. It's just really, really smooth. I fell in love with this hair. And I got it from Ft.Celie hair on AliExpress. I make sure to leave the link. It was like $2 something with the closure, a 20-inch closure, so it's not bad. Actually, it was like $180. I had a little coupon. Okay, so yeah, this is just me brushing the hair out. I'm gonna do this for each section. I like to keep the sections like the 4 sections. Sometimes if I'm in a rush, I'll just split it and do half and half. But to get like the look that I want, and I'm not in that much of a rush, we're gonna do the 4 sections. Try to get the top of the hair and make sure the hair is evenly wet so that it looks the same on both sides. This is the mousse I use. It is a number 4 hold. It's from Herbal Essence. But you know what? After this video, I've been using a hold number 2, and it works a lot better without making the hair so hard. So I'm going to leave the mousse that I use now. I'm going to leave that link for you guys to check out. And that's how the first side look. You only need a little bit. It gives it that shiny look that I love. Yeah, we're just gonna do this on both sides. Just like run it through, not too much, because I noticed like it was making my hair hard. And I don't know if I like the hard wavy look, just because I want it to look wet. So I'm still trying to figure that out. This is my first time having human curly hair, and this is how the back looks. I wish I would have showed you guys those curls up close. And now this is how I fix my closure. So it's been like 2 weeks, like I said. He did a really good job with my closure. It was the first time somebody made it look this realistic. So I just I added the baby, like I didn't cut the baby hairs myself, I just sculpted them myself. So I'm just wiping off the got to be glue that I had on there, and a little bit of mousse that I used to shape those into how I want it. I used a black got to be and a rat tail comb, and this is how I just make my closure last for like a month. I just add a little bit of got to be glued. I might fix it like every couple days, but this will last like a couple days before I have to go back in and try to touch it up again. Yeah, and I just add a little bit and try to get that lace down, and try to melt it back into my skin of how he first had it when my hair was first done. But you know, this is a learning process, so this is my first time doing this. Not my first time doing this, but my first time doing it like with human hair, because you guys watch my other videos, I don't have to do this much with my synthetic wigs. So this is me trying to figure out how I want to lay the baby hairs. First, I'm not gonna add any product on them. I just want to see where I need to place them, so that I just use the baby hairs to cover up that line, because to me, I haven't yet figured out how to make it super invisible like everybody else. So I just use the baby hairs to try to disguise the line, and it's not really noticeable. Like you guys will see how I do it. This is the other side, and I did not cut the baby hairs in the front. I just pushed them back. This is the mousse. This is the 4. I still do use the 4 hold on the baby hairs, because I know that I do want those to be hard, so that works better than using the 2. And I just use my edge tamer brush, regular brush, got it from Beauty Supply store. It was like $2. And I just use that to sculpt where I want my baby hairs to lay. Now this takes a while for me still, because my baby hairs are not cut, so I have to do something with the ends of the hair. Plus, like when I first got my hair done, he didn't cut baby hairs into them, and so I'm just trying to figure out how I can lay these to where it's gonna disguise that line for me that I don't like. And this is how it looks up close. Now we're gonna take some concealer. I think this is a number 7, yes, because it's lighter, and we're just gonna run this right through just to give the part some definition, just a little bit, and try to brighten up the closure a little bit, because I remember when he put it on, it was he put makeup on it. So for my foundations, I have to mix them to get the color that I want. So I just kind of mix my concealers to do the same. And when I'm done with my baby hairs, I just put a little got to be glued on them so that they stay. And usually I don't put on a scarf after this or anything, and this is how it looks up close. Let me focus in for you guys. Yeah, and that's how I do my hair. If you guys want to see more, subscribe, like, comment.